Another daily tip. This here marks the beginning of a new project. Well, that's a unique way to take up some flooring. That a girl, we appreciate the help. Now let me show you the real mess she made with a hammer. So here's the main floor of the new project. Got to get rid of all the flooring. We're going to redo the kitchen. Now that dark wall right up here, that's going to be an epic project. Now I can't show you much there, but in the next couple days, we're going to be building something massive. Here's the master bedroom. We're going to put in some new carpet there eventually. But here's where my wife really had a lot of fun with the hammer. And when I say hammer, I do mean a BFH. Here's a reminder of what it used to look like. This is actually a pretty sweet before picture. This bathroom remodel is about to be a 10 out of 10. Just as soon as I can get the wife back here to clean up the mess she made. She was quite excited to get the demo started on this project. And now let's go back to enjoying some of this demo with this floor. Honestly, that day it was windy enough. We could have honestly just opened up the windows. Crazy floating floors. But at least the demo is super easy. There were people in my last video that told me floating floors don't move when walked on. And I said, oh, Bill, are you silly? Hopefully the algorithm is in my favor and brings them back. Which actually now we should all say hi to Bill in the comment section. And there's one last thing we need to do before we go home for the night. Say, what's up, dude? What does Lightning McQueen say? Ka-chow.